guys, I'm Dvanshi and in today's video I'll be sharing 9 very simple and easy ways to instantly look stylish and chic. Remember, if you guys liked my content and want to come back to watch more of it, I do want to have you back, then please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. So tip number 1 is to always tuck in your t-shirts or shirts. Now there is something about tucking in your t-shirts and shirts that makes you look way more presentable and gives you the illusion of longer legs. So if you are a short girl, then this tip will definitely work for you. There are a lot of trendy ways to tuck in your shirts and look super fashionable, but if you want, you can go in with a traditional full tuck as well. Tip number 2 is to roll up your sleeves. It will make your shirt look like it's tailor-made for you. It looks really cool, and yes, you can talk business as well with your sleeves rolled up. Now I know it's always easier to wear a pair of sneakers, flats or bellies, but if you can combine comfort and heels at the same time, then why not go for it, right? I'm not saying go for stilettos or mules because I know they are super painful, but if you can, always choose a pair of block heels or maybe nice wedges instead of choosing your regular pair of flats. Learning how to balance your outfit will definitely take you up a notch. So if you're gonna wear tight and fitted top, always choose a loose and flowy bottom with it. And if you're gonna wear loose and flowy top, then go for a tight bottom. Now I know you can pair really fitted top with tight bottoms as well, but wearing loose bottoms and loose tops really doesn't flatter most of the body types. Gone are the times when belts were used just to tighten up your loose bottoms. Belts can be a great fashion accessory as well. Apart from wearing them to tighten up your bottoms, you can use them over an oversized dress or an oversized sweater or even a blazer top. I think they really help to define your waist and spruce up your outfit. Accessories can really elevate your whole outfit. So if you guys are not accessorizing, please start doing it. Now accessories goes way beyond jewelry. You can accessorize your outfits with belts, hair clips, scarves, a sling bag, a knot hairband or even scrunchies. Even simple hoops and layered necklaces can instantly make you look way more attractive. Now to wear a piece that's traditionally worn one way, a completely different way can really spice up your whole outfit. Now I really like this one because it allows you to get versatile with your wardrobe and experiment with your style. I think wearing a piece differently than how you usually do can really change the way people see you. Another thing you can do is to take a piece that's currently in trend and incorporate it into something you have already tried. Tip number 8 is to always iron your clothes before you wear them. I really want to emphasize on this because sometimes now people wear such cute outfits, but the wrinkles on them just make them look way more not presentable, especially if you are a college or office going person. So earlier I had no idea how much difference a simple mascara and a simple nude lipstick could make. You don't have to put foundation and concealer every time you step out of the house. Just a little bit of mascara and a little bit of nude lipstick can instantly take your whole outfit to a different level. So those were my tips to instantly elevate your look. If you have any suggestions of your own, do mention in the comments down below. So that's it for today's video. If you guys liked this video, do support my channel by liking, sharing and subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next video.